Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can remove stuck SIM tray in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. If SIM tray is stuck on your phone, you cannot remove it easily with SIM ejector tool. Okay, see here, I try with this SIM ejector tool. I push it hardly, but SIM tray is not coming because lock can be damaged inside this tray. So if you want to remove this tray, what you have to do is use a thin knife. Okay, using thin knife you can just slightly peel off here uh, and eject it. Okay, see here. So here I have one knife. This is the short knife, and here just go to peel off like this. Yes, now it has come. So this is the best method to remove the stuck SIM tray in your phone Vivo V21e 4G. SIM tray lock can be maybe damaged inside. So to remove this SIM tray, use this method. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.